we can prove that conservation of energy using an object. We'll consider a particular height. Okay. Then if you place the object here at the point, the height is x. It's the ground floor. The height x, we are placing an object. When we release this object, it will fall down. Then this height is x, and we are releasing this at free fall. Then we are considering another one point here, that is point B. This one is point A. This one is point C. We are calculating the energy, the total energy of the point A, point B, point X. The height is, total height is X. Point C. First it is in rest, then we are releasing. Here it is moving. We are calculating the energy at the point B and calculating the energy at point C. We have to calculate the total energy, that is potential energy and kinetic energy. Okay, first we will consider the point A. Point A. Okay, what is the kinetic energy? Kinetic energy equation is half mv square. Half mv square. Okay, think about this. Object is in rest. Then what will be the kinetic energy? What is the velocity? The velocity is 0. If the velocity is 0, mv square is 0, then this value is 0. Kinetic energy is 0. Then what is potential energy? Potential energy, we know the mass of the object into acceleration due to gravity into the height of the object. What is height here? H. So the potential energy is mgh. Okay. Then object is come to B. The distance is x. We are considering this distance is x. Okay. This distance is x. Then what will be this remaining distance is h minus x. Okay. H minus x. This is h minus x. This is x. Okay. Total h. Okay. ഇവിടെ x ആണെങ്കിൽ ഈ വാല്യൂ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എന്താണ്? ഈ h ൽ നിന്ന് x കുറയ്ക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും. h is 10. h 10 ആണെങ്കിൽ x എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് even 4 ആണെങ്കിൽ what will be this one? h minus x 6. Total 6 4. Total 10. Okay. We are not giving values. We are just giving some symbols to represent the value. Okay. Here point A, the total is equal to 0 plus mgh. So mgh. Okay. Point A. Then what about point B? Point B. Okay. Here it is moving from here to here. We know the equations of motion. In that equations of motion, I will give one equation of motion is 2as is equal to v square minus u square. Okay. Here in the case of this potential energy, here we are using only the final velocity here. Initial velocity is 0. And what is the acceleration here when free fall? That is 2g. Air replaces g because we are using acceleration due to gravity. It's a free fall. Then what is s here? S1 is H. Okay. In the case of this point B, then the S is this one. Okay, S is this one, displacement, that is X. 2gx is equal to b square. At the point B, 2gx is equal to b square. Then we will calculate the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy equation is half mv square. What is it? B square equation 2gx is equal to b square. B square തുല്യമാണ് 2gx എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കേ, നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ കിട്ടി. ഓക്കേ, half m into kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Here we know 2gx is equal to v square. Then we will apply this equation here. Then what will happen? M into v square is 2gx x. Isn't it? Then this 2 by 2 is 1, so cancel out, 1 will get, so you will get mgx. Then what about the potential energy at point B? Potential energy at point B. Potential energy, you know, mgh. Here what is the mass is same, so m. G is acceleration due to gravity, g, and what is h here, height here, h minus x. Okay, then reach the bracket, then you will get mgh minus mgx. Okay, this is potential energy. Then what is the total kinetic energy and potential energy? Total is potential energy mgh minus mgx plus kinetic energy plus mgx plus mgx minus mgx plus mgx minus mgx 0, so you will get total mgh. At the point B, the total energy is mgh. What is the total energy at the point B? Mgh, isn't it? Then we have to calculate total energy of point C. Okay, we will calculate here. There is no time, no space, then we will go there. Point C. What's the potential energy at point C? mgh. Potential energy is mgh. What is the value of h here at the point C? Is 0. Into 0, so potential energy is 0. Then what about kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is what is half mv square. Okay, kinetic energy is half mv square. Then here we know 2x is equal to b square minus u square. Here we have to take g and s here is h, because this object is free fall from here to here. The total height is h, so 2gh is equal to v square minus u square. Here v square, u is 0, so v square. 2gh is equal to v square. Then just we have remove this one. 2gh is equal to b square minus u square b square. So kinetic energy is half m v square. Kinetic energy is equal to half m v square. Here v square is 2gh. So half m into 2gh. 2gh. 2 by 2 is 1. So kinetic energy is mgh. Total energy is kinetic energy plus potential energy. Potential energy is 0. So you will get total energy is mgh plus 0. So total energy mgh, that is third one, B, C, A. At the point A, at the point B, at the point C, all energy is equal.